As your team's technical customer contact, this video covers where and how to connect your equipment for your new plug-and-play service. Plug-and-play services are designed to be self-activated when you are ready to get you up and running quickly. When you order a plug-and-play service, an engineer may visit your location to install Lumen equipment and test the network connectivity up to your network. To use your network, you may need to complete additional configuration work. The engineer may also use this time to show your local customer contact where the equipment is labeled and installed. Make sure to inform all your team members of this information. To help prepare for your new service, we will email you your technical details as well as helpful information for activating service. This will include detailed information about the specific location where your equipment should be connected. As shown in this example, we will provide information such as the floor, room, mount location, circuit ID, and other essential details. Once you or a member of your team have confirmed all the necessary details from the email, you are ready to connect and verify your new plug-and-play service. First, verify whether you are using copper or fiber, and connect your cable directly to the appropriate connection point, or make the connection from your building extension to your equipment. Pause the video here to complete this step. Then, verify the port settings. Your settings may vary depending on your service. Pause the video here to complete this step. Congratulations! You have now established initial connectivity and are ready to activate your service. Ensure that your router is configured and connected. Whether you are activating your new service with the global customer support team, or you need our service assurance team to assist you with an existing service, we are here to support you. If you are experiencing issues with connectivity or have questions, use the support option that matches your services. We are delighted to have added you to our network and are excited about the new capabilities for your business. Visit our delivery support library to view short, helpful videos and other information to maximize your service delivery experience. These keys to success will help you every step of the way. Thank you for partnering with Lumen.